Hi everybody, how are you? I hope everything is fine. If you remember, in another video I explained how you can make comparative adjectives. Means you wanna say that somebody or something is better or faster or more expensive or whatever than something else or someone else. Now, in English there is another possibility. You can have a similar way of comparing two or more things together. This is done through the use of prefixes. You know that prefixes are those small segments that come before verbs or nouns or adjectives and gives some extra meaning to that word. Now, likewise, you can use them, at least some of them, like under, over, and out, to compare things. Out of these, I personally like out a lot. This prefix can come before verbs, mostly verbs, to show that something is better or higher or more than something else or somebody else. Sometimes you can use out before adjectives. Okay, for the verb, let me give you one example. For instance, you can say outrun. You can say my brother can outrun me. It means my brother is faster than me when running, or at least that particular moment he was faster than you. Okay, so you can say that when you use out before verbs or adjectives, you are more precise. You're talking about a detailed context. Okay, this might be the difference between the other ways of comparing adjectives. Okay, so as a formula, we might say out plus verb means to do that X, means that activity, that action, better or longer or more than someone or something else. As examples, you can say outperform, outrun, outfly, outmaneuver, etc., etc. Okay, and then of course you can also have adjectives. So you have out plus adjective means to be more that adjective, whatever it is. If it is smart, so out smart means to be more smart. Out crazy means to be more crazy, crazier than somebody. Okay, so whatever that adjective is, okay, than someone or something else. So that is how it works. Very similar. They're very similar. In a way, perhaps historically speaking, adjectives used to sometimes, at least in some contexts, used to mean some actions or verbs. That's why these two formulas are exactly the same. Alright, so for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you, for each of these, out plus verb, 20 examples, as well as 20 examples for out plus adjective. I'm going to show you on the screen, so let's go and see them together. Very well, I hope you liked these examples. Now, before I say goodbye, let me give you one example with Khomeini and Aftabe as always, okay? So we can say, little Khomeini always outcompeted his classmates in painting Aftabe masterpieces. You know that this bastard used in the school also loved anything related to Aftabe. So whenever it was a competition of painting of the best, he was the best. Because the lesson was very short, I don't think there is any need for a summary. So looking forward to seeing you soon again. Until then, goodbye.